If you want to ask questions of a YouTube video and actually be able to chat with it and get answers rather than going through a 35-minute long video, or even being able to chat with the content of multiple videos at once, that's where NotebookLM comes in. NotebookLM is a free feature from Google that allows you to use YouTube videos, PDFs, CSVs, Word documents, etc. as sources. So instead of going to the internet, it just looks through the transcript of the video and your documents to give you answers. So the way we set this up is we go to notebooklm.google.com and click Try NotebookLM. Then you'll see an empty page and click on Create New Notebook. The first thing we want to do is title this notebook. So I'm actually going to click the X here. I'm going to call this Trucking Insurance, just so I can keep track of my notebooks. Then we have three sections. On the left side, we have our sources, which is where we add documents, YouTube videos, or websites. In the middle, we have the chat, and on the right side, we have the studio, where it can even create podcast-style overviews for us, video overviews, mind maps, and more. So now let's click on Add Sources in the top left corner here, and I'm going to grab that YouTube video URL so that we can paste it. So I'm just going to literally copy-paste that YouTube URL, and then click on Websites here where we have the YouTube icon, and paste the link. If I had multiple videos, I could just put a space and paste another link as well. And now when I click Insert, you'll see on the left side, we have that video, Trucking Insurance Explained, and it shows in the middle here, one source. So it pulls the transcript of the entire video, and now I can say, what are the new trends in trucking insurance coming up? And when I click Enter, it's going to read through the entire 35-minute video, get the context, and then answer the question for me. You can add up to 50 sources, I believe. Actually, more than that now. It's way more than 50. 50 was back when they launched. You can add many, many sources. I think it's even 500. Let's see, 300 now, sorry. So 300 sources here. You can add up to 300 different YouTube videos. You can mix and match YouTube videos, websites, etc. And then you can chat with it and it'll give you the answers. I can ask for a main overview of this video or all the videos as well. And what's nice is it gives you sources. So if you click here, we click on that too, it'll give us the transcript of the video of where it's pulling that data from. So it's all highlighted here. If I click on the number 12, we can see this goes to a different highlighted section and it shows us those previews. And then of course we can watch the video on the left side. So that's how to utilize NotebookLM. If you get stuck in here, you need to go back to your sources, click on this little Close Source View button, and then you can of course, add more sources and just keep chatting with it. The nice part is you can share these as well with your colleagues. So if you click the share button in the top right corner, you'll be able to share this with people. So they can even either have access to the full notebook where they can chat and view the sources, or you can give them chat only so then they can't adjust the sources. They can only chat with that information. You just click copy link or type in a person's name here. That's it. That's how you can now chat with YouTube videos for free, up to 300 videos at once, get all the context without having to go through the entire video. And this can save you hours, if not days. Hope you enjoyed. And if you need any help, check out bencanhelp.com for a free session with me, 15 or 30 minutes. Thanks so much. Peace.